Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock in your ZTE Axon 10 Pro, I recommend you to go for the Play Store, type on the search, and right here type the Opera Mini and download this application. So let's open it, and right now you will see that you don't have to install any external application to connect them with the browser. All you have to do is to get this application, and right now we can open, for example, this page, and as you can see, ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So they bring it to the Opera, and right now we can really use it in a really easy way. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.